Namba ya akenya aria mahurukana gutiga utonga wa indo na mbeca itari na aramati na itakumenyeka no ubatie gucira matano ethiete na mbere na kuongerereka. Umuthi ukigina kiria gitigitwo gitari na mundu uria wakiuririria igikinyiria ciringi mbirioni 7. Kurigana na ruhonge rwa kuramata kigina kiria gitiganeirio rwa UFAA, kaunti cia Nyeri na Ikuru na Uasin Gishu ni citongoretie hari kigina kiria gitigitwo gitari na ene. Riu ario ciringi mbirioni 2 ihotete kuriririo na gukinyirio ene ruhonge ruru hari ihinda ria miaka 7 hitukite.
Collected roughly 57 billion shillings from these holding institutions, and we have managed to reunify around 2 billion in the 7 years we have been in existence.
Kurigana na murugamiri munene wa ruhonge ruru Pius Kimutai, utonga muingi ukomete mafegi-ini, sakozi-ini na thogori-ini ya shares utari uragia na ene. Riu akenya makiorio kuhuthira namba ya *361# kana kuingira rurenda-ini rwa UFAA niguo kumenya kana kuri kindu giatigirwo kimegie.
From Nakuru we will be going to Nyeri, Thika, based on our mapping, because we've realized that there are some regions which has more unclaimed assets than others, and therefore we have given priority those areas we believe they have more assets.
Na wazee wengi hasa wazee, kwa sababu maybe ya ukora hapa na pale na ukosa uaminifu katika ndoa, wanaweka mali zao mahali ambapo hakuna mtu anajua, na wengine wameaga na wakawacha rasilimali zao mingi sana mahali tofauti. Kama wewe ni mke pale nyumbani, kama wewe ni kijana ama ni msichana wa mtu fulani ambaye aliaga, ni vyema kukuja kufuatilia.
Kuona Kenya ingi matikoragwo na umenyo wigi indo iria itigitwo na thutha, family nyingi ikerekana gukorwo igithinika orire indo ciao ire moko-ini ma thirikari.
There are many families who are suffering because they didn't know that they have assets. Probably they are not able to take their kids to school because they are not aware that probably their parents had left some money in some financial institutions, in insurance companies, in cooperative societies. And therefore, we are trying to see to it that we pass this message to the public so that they come forward and claim their money.
Ciao ni umwe wa aria mari na mwihoko wa gukinyira indo iria ciatigirwo ni aciari yake. Riu akioria Kenya angi kwaga kuhuthiriria ari gukinyira na indo iria mangikorwo na riciria ni ciatigitwo ni andu a nyumba yao.
Najua kwamba alikuwa na mali nyingi, lakini saa zingine hatujui mahali zilikuwa. Kwa hivyo mamangu amejaribu kuzifuata, lakini kwa sababu ya bureaucracy ambazo huwepo imekuwa ni ngumu.
Haruni Akameme TV, Letora Koni Bataru wa Mwagi.